How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the birth name number 8, the outer expression, the deeper meaning. So before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. It's free, and also hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Number 8 octad to the philosophers is the cube of energy having 8 angles. The 8 was considered the only evenly number between 1 and 10, meaning it could be divided by any other lower number and not leave a remainder. This is also true of number 4, except that 4, unlike number 8, cannot make a three-dimensional figure. So number 8 proves to them that the idea produced form God geometrizes. The Ogdad 8 is like a double mirror that sees and understands both worlds, so it presents good judgment. It stood for justice because it could be divided into equal parts. The 8 on its side represents the scale 00, a symbol that has always stood for man being equal under the law. Okay, so the 8 is like the O. It can be written over and over without lifting the pen from the page. It symbolizes divine power and material power. The higher as above, flowing serpentine to the lower so below. Number 8 symbolizes friendship and love because they are considered to be in perfect harmony. Love being a musical octave above friendship in vibration. Pythagoras called the 8 light and darkness. The darkness is the selfish material-minded money-maker, and the light is the spiritual-minded who offer light to those in the dark. The knowledge of spirit and matter gives the 8 inspiration, leadership ability, and even genius. We as humans are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. By adding together both the number value of the vowels and the consonants, you will find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines the innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each of the letters and the numbers value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, which we're going to show you now. Vowels in a name tells the basis of your motivation, which is the animating spirit. This is called your soul urge or desire. You desire all that a number has in its vibration. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Cole uses his name when he comes into contact with others. His name is said when he speaks on the phone, when he speaks to his family and friends, when he opens an account in a bank or a shop. He not only says his name, he writes it down. Everybody he knows calls him by his name. Numerology, numerical and alphabet reference chart. Goes from 1 to 9. 1 stands for A, J, and S, and 9 for I and R. Name expressions. Cole, name number 8, outer expression. C stands for 3, O stands for 6, L stands for 3, E stands for 5. You add this all up, it gets to 17. Name equals 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 equals 17, which is equal to 1 plus 7, which is equal to 8. Therefore, Cole's name number is equal to 8 outer expression. Therefore, number 8 is the birth name of Cole. Okay, so vowels equals O plus E equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. Therefore, Cole's soul urge number equal 11 inner expression is in the chart on the spiritual plane. All zeros are dropped if they appear in the name chart. Therefore, number 8 is the birth name of Cole. Birth name number 8, power and abundance. I'll work hard for nice things. These are the people who regard independence as one of the most important aspects of life. They can be very complex and invariably possess great wisdom and strength of character. Their power derives from a position of the 8 as the number of wisdom on the soul plane. One of the most important aspects of love is the ability to express it, a vital component for successful human relationship. It is in the avenue of expression that the number 8 people find great difficulty. It is essential for them in this lifetime to transcend this limitation, which will diminish with maturity, and in turn this will create greater security and happiness in their lives together with growth and wisdom, which is essential to an 8's life. They have an enormous capacity for compassion and sympathetic tenderness for those in trouble, enormously successful in business, and take pride in appearance of both themselves and their loved ones. They are feeling people and often tend to hide their sensitivities until they become mature enough to express them. They have a strong sense of independence and self-confidence and excel in senior posts. Their destiny will be prosperous and a powerful one, and will never know poverty or subordination, for theirs is the path to all that life has to offer. They will be the implements of prosperity, success, and humanitarian deeds. Efficiency and capability are their strong points. Courage is one of their greatest assets, and often display it in fighting for equal rights for all mankind. They have a sound understanding of finance and make good senior executives, stockbrokers, and attracted to the field of banking, teaching, nursing, working with animals, and deeply concerned for the sick and helpless. Alright, so money and power marks their life pattern and have the wonderful qualities of transforming ideas into realities. A good memory, a well-balanced intellect, and controlled emotions make them born executives or managers. Wit and intellect alone, not flattery or outbursts, can impress them and gain their approval. Diplomacy and courtesy assure a happy and successful marriage, and they believe that everyone should share in the wealth and happiness that is available in the world. And this attitude precipitates their involvement in charitable activities. Endowed with all the powers of their almighty eight, they never think small in anything and have no fear of going after whatever they consider worthwhile. Behind the understanding of discipline and discrimination hides a destructive force of power that can be used in any which way they wish. If they use this negative, harmful power, they will never enjoy the material possessions they acquire. They need a great deal of guidance, especially in their handling of children. They are either overindulgent or exceptionally strict, and often find difficulty in expressing their loving feelings. However, they will spend their lives helping those in need, which they do gladly and constantly, and that which is given is always returned twofold. Once they understand that the more power they channel from the source, the more good they can do in the world, then nothing can stop them from being the magnetic and philanthropic leader that they were born to be. Name number 8 and soul urge number 11 complement each other in that 8 is on the spiritual plane, but also imbued mentally with a brilliant mind, benefits 11 on the highly spiritual plane in understanding and empathy, which will ground them both mentally and spiritually. Okay, so positive attributes: ambitious, athletic, executive ability, good judgment, and stamina. Negative attributes: impatient, materialistic, pushy, and thoughtless. Okay, so that's it for this video on birth name number 8, the outer expression. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get all our future updates. Alright, so this is Sean from Mal's YouTube Booksite YouTube channel. Until our next video on numerology, good day on you.